Paintology has been designed to bring back the fun of drawing and painting in the digital medium. In this video we are going to show you how to import images into Paintology to use with the Paintology app. For example, if you want to continue drawing with a previous drawing you had made with another app, or if you wanted to use this drawing in the trace mode of Paintology and use it as a reference. From the home screen, click on My Resources, which will take you to another screen. Click on the Import Images button. You will see a link for importing images. Click on this link or the image above. This will open up another screen where it will show the image resources on your phone or tablet. You can import a single image or a number of images to import into Paintology. After you have selected the images, a dialog will open up asking you to go to the My Paintings directly to check the imported images. Let's do that. You will see the new imported images labeled as I. Let's click on one of the imported images. You will see this image open up on the drawing canvas. You can now paint over it or make adjustments, etc. If you want to use this image for a new drawing, you may want to open this image in trace mode. To do this, click on the drop-down menu of the image. Then go to Open in Trace and the image will open up in the traced mode. You can now draw over this image just like doing a trace drawing. For more information on this, please check out the other video guides provided on the Paintology app. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps us greatly to improve the Paintology app, the only digital drawing app close to the real thing.